Yeah man, this is the Bright Sparks Radio man, and yeah man, you know today we giving them the foreigners Jamaican talking style, but also we gonna mix it with yesterday's broadcast that is rap. So you're gonna listen to some rap from two artists, you see me man. But weird, so like somebody's coming in on my roof man, who that man? Breaker, who is that on the roof? Yeah man, you know say I me man, me the original Adrites. Yeah me there. Oh, you see it's like a rat, you can come in a helicopter man. Yeah man, you're free for landing. Come in man. Alright, there in the building. Okay, so you know right now we're gonna make you listen to the famous Will Smith rapping his song about black suits, and then his junior son that's 14, Jaden. Now listen to him and tell me what you think, you see me? Cause me a boss them, you know. You see me? Yeah man, we're gonna repeat it again for you, so just listen up. Will Smith.
Earth is worthless to her, she be be tripping like threatening me and my men's trying to get the light, thinking she's superwoman, but black kryptonite. Finishing whatever you start, son. The best looking crime fighter since myself in part 1.
Yo, now you're Fresh Prince,
play
man.
Nice and sing along, cause K is back in the hype.
Fresh Prince of Bel-Air.
Wanna brawl with me, tryna brawl with me. What? Yo. What? Then let me see you. Just come on and nod your head like this. Let me see you nod your head. Let me see you nod your head like this. Let me see you. Let me see you nod your head. Let me see you. Come on. Let me see you like this. Let me see you. Check it. Yo, case closed. Erase my foes. Chased away by the black suit, shades and clothes. We above the law. Feds can't touch me, y'all. Highly ranked, black blank ID card. So disregard what you think you saw. Put that phone down now. Who you think you calling, huh?
Hey, hello.
Good night, dear. Just
how you doing, man?
look right here, thank you. Mission completed. I made it. We won't be defeated. You seen it. We did it. Even with weapons depleted. Galaxy defenders, don't act like you don't remember. Taking contenders and proving they only pretenders. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the men in black is back to protect the world. When the enemy is near, the elite is here. So have no fear, just let me see you nod your head. Come on, nod your head like this. Let me see you like this. Let me see you. Yo. If you wanna rock the say, tell me if you wanna rock the say. If you wanna rock the say, come on if you wanna rock the say. Yeah, if you wanna rock the say, tell me if you wanna rock the say. If you wanna knock the say, tell me if you wanna rock the say.
Here's my boss, Jaden.
Hey, hello. How you doing there? Hello. My name is Jaden and I am a young fellow. I like to keep it mellow. I like to make friends and make trends. Attend the young school dances, young romances. Girl, this is your chance. It's a long shot. Cupid tried to hit your boat, but it's the wrong shot. Because I'm trying to rock the mic and no one won't stop. I'ma keep rapping about this love until the song stops. Cause we're just young and dumb and numb in lung capacity. Flung from me in the last city. Hun, you one of the last pretty girls that ain't cash greedy. Models that's mad skinny. You was that bad picky girl that's a vegetarian who hated the movies and loved to go to aquariums. And she would just stare at him, barely feeling embarrassed. She put the Matic in Paris. We'd randomly fly to Paris like, hello. Hello. Hiya. Hello. Hiya. Hello. Greetings this evening. Hi, my name is Jaden. These girls are just so deceiving. They see me, they don't believe I'm a minor. Well, I don't have any gold in all the records I sold. They thinking I'm really old, but no, I'm a teen. I'm still keeping it clean. I'm having meetings with deans. You see me up on the screen like, hello, I'm doing the scene. A mean fighting machine and still keeping it lean. Like, whoa, what does this mean? I'm seen in all these places. My sister just got her braces. My misfits are breaking bases. It's crazy. My cooks are top of the notches. Fans always trying to wave, so Moises is getting nauseous. We at the shows trying to make a mosh pit. Living life so exotic. I'm not trying to be obnoxious. And we trying to paint, so now we going to Josh's. Now we trying to go skate. We strapping on all the costumes like, hello. Man, hello. Man, hello. They say, Jaden, your vocals are so cool. Shutting jokers down as soon as your click rolls through. Man, we bringing back the old school. If I could, I'd do this without Pro Tools. But this is just the intro. Listen up, homie, if you want some info. I got some details. Selling jokers out like they was some retails. Couple texts and emails, talking a lot about females. Hope that doesn't concern you. Wanna come up and battle, well homie, I'ma just burn you. But you gon' learn to respect it. You want a real MC, then check this. Done, Misfits.
Spitting bars, check the blogs if you need some more. Misfits and Miss Man, what's the deal? Me more in the material, that's the What's good,
It's the coolest of the coolest, it's the smoothest of the smoothest, it's the crudest and the rudest of the stupid kids. Mr. Vicious with his missus blowing kisses to his mistress and his missus blowing riches like some hooligans. I wasn't tripping, I just listened to these women when they sipping on them juices. They say Jaden, yeah, he's too legit. And I be flipping cause they slipping and they dipping in the pool. They say I'm cool and they be drooling cause I'm stupid ripped. I might be tripping but I'm living how I'm living. I'm 14, I'll be forgiven, so forget it bro, I'm moving in. And I don't care how you be getting all offended cause I'm taking older women. Well I'm sorry bro, I do it big. So just listen what I'm spitting, it's the realest that you getting of these writtens if you messing with these stupid kids. But if you isn't, then forget it cause I didn't mean to push you. If you want it and you need it, girl, then come and get it.
It's the coolest.
I'm the leader of the leaders on the leaderboards. We be winning when I'm spitting, I don't need a score. I just eat you like a cheetah and it's getting boring. Spitting bars, check the blogs if you need some more. Misfits in this, man, what's the deal? Me more, you Mattel, yeah, that's the trio. About to get up on the stage cause we feeling ill. Chilling with the Bonnie crew, pending upon how I feel. Yeah, cause the youth is taking over. Baby, you can cry up on my shoulder. Sixer, season ticket holder. And my flows are only getting colder. And I told her, click, that there's no other. Please, you ain't messing with my C's in the suburbs. Getting beats from Ace, everyone knows that's my brother. And teachers tell me walk, but I really rather hover in the Jam Fest.
The coolest.
It's the wannabe ghetto kid, yes I'm about to level with all of my homies, all of my fellows, it's crazy. Man, you messing with the misfits, man I doubt that we gon' settle it. That's because lately, I've been sipping on a soda and I'm chilling with a hottie. And she's really into yoga, my baby. Love noticed what I wrote and she kissed me on the lips every time a joker show up, but they say just a bunch of kids who don't know what love is and think that we should wait till we get older, huh, maybe. But I'd rather swallow throw up cause I'm chilling with my girl and I gotta let her grow up. But you know what? They ain't gonna slow us up. We the youngest, we the ones to know what's up. I'm an alien, my flow is just so abductable. Conspiracy theorists never go us up. I'm done. Good night. They take us to London, they take us to France, they take us to Rio, they take us to France. Take us to Sweden, then we back to France. But everywhere we go, they know exactly who I am, baby girl, cause we the misfits, misfits, misfits. Come kick it with the misfits, misfits, misfits. Yeah, homie, we the misfits, misfits, misfits. You rockin' with the misfits, misfits, misfits. Old people say that we're dumb, young people say that we're fun. You should probably bite on your tongue. Say that we lost, but we won. Chewing jokers up like gum, yum. Put it in my tum, done. Headphones beating like a drum. Count paper up, I don't care about the sum. I'm young, I don't really care about the money. Misfits dark when it's sunny, honey. I'm so fly that you're looking like a dummy. I'm so cool that you know, say runny, that's funny. We young and reckless, misfits live life on the edges. Crazy, nobody can catch us. My stuff drops, now we on the set list. Amazing, reckless and love it. We got cool that you not even up with. We're misfits, this is our republic. And I act wild even when I'm in public. They take us to London, they take us to France. They take us to Rio, they take us to France. They take us to Sweden, then we back to France. But everywhere we go, they know exactly who I am, baby girl, cause we the misfits, misfits, misfits. Come kick it with the misfits, misfits, misfits. Yeah, homie, we the misfits, misfits, misfits. You rockin' with the misfits, misfits, misfits. Give it to 'em. I'm not no poser, but a joker do like to pose. Misfits in this with some new clothes, and I just left state to do some more shows. I'm the coolest, that case is closed. Got a new girl, we'll see how it goes. Dressed all black from our head to toe. When you see my clique, we looking like crows. Cause we young and stupid, yeah, we dumb and ruthless. Yeah, man, you know who the crew is. When so much other jokers abusing the losing, man, I'ma be cruising. My girl, she snoozing. I don't really care who's in the house as long as they bumping the music. About to walk in with the click, what's up? Look so fly cause we all dressed up, and they marching to the music cause the Misfits know what's up. They take us to London, they take us to France, they take us to Rio, they take us to France, they take us to Sweden, then we back to France. But everywhere we go they know exactly who I am, baby girl, cause we the Misfits, Misfits, Misfits. Come kick it with the Misfits, Misfits, Misfits. Yeah, homie, we the Misfits, Misfits, Misfits. You rockin' with the Misfits, Misfits, Misfits. If you reckless, then you a misfit. If you rejected, then you a misfit. If you not nothing to mess with, then you a misfit. If you get this, then trust me, you a misfit. If you breaking all the rules, then you a misfit. If people think you ain't cool, then trust me, you a misfit. If you wanna be rebellious, homie, come and follow me. And I'm looking at my haters, we say R.I.P. Little homie, we the Misfits. The Misfits, the Misfits, the Misfits. Cause when you stop believing, your parents will start deceiving you, and all your friends tell you to stop believing when you should get some decks and go skate the street this evening. Words hurt like a bee sting, it's kinda like a disease, but to them it's pleasing. Instead of doing all the pleasing, you should get the keys and be gone like the wind in the trees. Agreed? A misfit is a rebel, we stated out like we rocks in the middle of some pebbles. You jokers corny, let me put you in a kettle. You poppin' for like a minute, let me wait for you to settle. Hello, get up on my level. Who thought the littlest fellow would nominate for these medals? You look good in the stilettos, sing a lullaby to you like Bellas, and all these ladies is jealous. Well, I'ma get my fellows and settle down and say something intelligent. Hello kids, I'm not saying don't get your college degrees. I'm not saying to go and skate and break your knees. I'm not saying to go up in your house and get the keys and run away without telling your parents that you're gonna leave. I'm not telling you to be me, I'm just telling you you can be free. Jeez. Spitfire can't jog my heat. Hit my Spitfires, knock the street, yo. TikTok can't stop my feet. Here, real G, rock the beat, Had a fun time last night. Got girls here, that's right. Could've chilled if you act right. Fell asleep on my half pipe, yeah. Got school, but we coolin', ayy. Let the cool kids do this, and the flows be too sick, so cool you droolin', yup, I does it. This my city right here, I run it. Pass me a deck, quick, pop, shove it. Girls be saying that I'm with them, but I wasn't. Cause everybody want kicks like me, everybody want chicks like me, everybody want flicks like me, everybody tryna get like me, everybody want kicks like me, everybody want chicks like me, everybody want flicks like me. Everybody tryna get like me. Wanna know where to find me? Find a place with the most skateboards, scrape concrete, with my G's behind me. Yeah, we ain't afraid of none of the zombies. More peace than Gandhi. Up all night, never sleep, you can call me insomniac. Bringing it way back before I got to cruise with my dad, playing tracks in the Maybach. Now I'm king of the misfits, so all my G's. Moist king of the kick flips. And it must be the raps I spit to get invited to these parties with all of these hot actresses. Yo, I ain't even mad at this, but I'll probably get some crap for this from my parents and my sis and the people I be acting with. But it's cool, I'ma act a trip. Cause everybody want kicks like me, everybody want chicks like me, everybody want flicks like me, everybody tryna get like me, everybody want kicks like me, everybody want chicks like me, everybody want flicks like me. Why? Everybody tryna get like me. People say be safe and I hate that, so I go to skate lab with no pads. Ha, rebel, yeah, we skate hard, better get up on a level. If you can, then there's no problem. If you want decks, then we got them. Looking up like there's no bottom, spitting flows hotter than lava. New York meanings with Hova, then go to Nobu with Shaka. These girls are thinking I'm older, then break it to them and shock them. Told you I was the realest, swag busting through ceilings. And oh, to kill it. So what did I do? I killed it. Cause everybody want kicks like me. Everybody want chicks like me. Everybody want flicks like me. Everybody trying to get like me. Everybody want kicks like me. Everybody want chicks like me. Everybody want flicks like me. Everybody trying to get like me. Everybody want kicks like me. Everybody want chicks like me. Everybody want flicks like me. Everybody trying to get like me. Everybody want kicks like me. Everybody want chicks like me. Everybody want flicks like me. Everybody trying to get like me. Life is slow motion, and I'm swimming in the ocean when I'm next to you. If I'm not with you, then I'm texting you, cause I miss you. It's like sparks when I kiss you. Girl, what's the issue? We're fighting again, in the studio I'm writing again. Make it rain cause it's lighting again. Video doing lighting again. Jeez, breaking up, I was frightened again. Get in trouble, I was lying again. Why? I don't really know where the ground is, and I don't really know what a noun is, cause I don't go to school and I'm hanging with some foolish kids that be drilling at the movies. I never really truly met you. I'm Romeo, you be my Juliet. You look so good in that dress that you wore, and look so cute in his glasses. You said I look good in that vest that I wore. Tell me when you get out of your classes, cause I'm seeing you around, and all my friends tell me that you go to Calabasas. Hi, and I stare up in your eyes, and I don't know why I stare longer than your lashes. I think I could write a couple songs, cause this stuff is straight out of a movie. I could get lost in the music, but baby please don't lose me. Girl, hold me when you can, cause this love is not as strong as it was. Cause you making a fuss over nothing, and you know I stay losing my trust. God, I remember you would blush, now you stay using your blush, just because we keeping us on the hush. Girl, there's no reason to rush, just forget it. You did it, your love is so acidic. You gon' put me in the clinic, I admit it. And it burns when we keep taking these turns. Had a few concerns for a minute, you be tripping. Don't understand why you keep changing your plans. Like socks, but you not rocking no stands. Put out my hand and you still don't wanna dance, and you not playing my jams. Wow, I put my foot up on the brake. Girl, we make mistakes, we should probably take a break. All the songs I make are just only for your sake. You stay playing your Drake, I don't think I'll take this no more. You bore me, wake up in the morning, and I need a new story. Sorry, 9 o'clock date and I showed up tardy. And I'm hardly same kid from last October. Misfit soldier, got a little older, got a little colder. For the better or whatever. People say I'm clever, so I'll help with your endeavors. Hope we're not together just so we can feel this pleasure in our hearts we couldn't sever. And I hope you know I love you forever. Please don't lose me. Please don't lose me. Please don't lose me.
Yeah man, you know we're just making a listen to the famous Will Smith and his son Jada Smith. Yeah man, you know, wanna hear me rap a little piece? I'm sorry, I'm not a rapper. Well, me gain a little piece still. But remember, I'm not a rapper. School. Rogic's a fool. Every time he see me girl, him drool. Oh, you lost some my youth. When you want to do something? Yeah, man, go on, man. that can't go studio. How did I fool them, man? Just cool, man. That can't go studio. People, that can't go studio. So makes it no better then, no? Well, make me do something better. Do something better, man. No, man. You're not gonna play nobody thing, man. Do your own rapping thing, man. You think you can pay me for rap? People, you think you can pay me for rap? What you want to tell it to say rap? We not talk about the toilet tissue rap, man. We talk about rap. We talk, man. What you want to rap about toilet tissue? Alright then, you think you can pay me for my music? People can't pay me for my music. Do you think? Music. Use this. Lose this. Come for my boat and cruise this. I take my for this. No man. Me not laugh with them, my youth. That the one day. Nah at my man. Yo man, see a helicopter come there, man. Go on, man. Go on, yo. You know got it, man. I think I get back a fool. I think I get back. You know what? Man, I left the studio, man. I get back the cloud. You can't take a fool. You can't take every fool when you eat that, my youth. Yo, look on me shouting at the marriage. Yeah, man. Look on. Yeah, away. Go on, later. Yeah, man, you were just listening to another broadcast of the Bright Spark Show. And now we'll be taking you out with Will Smith again with Black Suits. Listen him and stay tuned. Please listen to us tomorrow again. Same time, same vibes. Yeah, man, I'm out. Bright Spark Show.
I've been trained to bust when a stranger fuss trying to endanger us. Praise me, y'all. Don't nothing faze me, y'all. When they see me, they gaze me, y'all. Crazy, y'all. They say I'm a myth. Trust me, if somebody rip out of the depths of your imaginations appears Will Smith. Black suit, the black shades, the black shoes, black tie with the black attitude. New style, black Ray-Bans, I'm stunning, man. New hotness, pitch black 600, man. Don't you understand? What you thought I wouldn't come again? Leave you hanging without bringing you the fun again? Tangle in with the alien scum again? Mind your manners or the black suits running in. Nod your head. The black suits. Let me see you nod your head like this. Let me see you like this. Let me see you bop your head, nod your head. Come on. The black suits. Let me see you like this. Let me see you nod your head like this. Check it, yo, it's this chick, right? Serlina, making me sick, right? Earth is worthless to her, she be tripping like threatening me and my men's trying to get the light. Thinking she's superwoman, but black kryptonite. Finishing whatever you start, son. The best looking crime fighter since myself in part 1. Better act right and play nice and sing along, cause K is back any height. What? Bring it on! Wanna brawl with me? Tryna brawl with me? What? Yo. What? Then let me see you just me see you nod your head. Let me see you nod your head like this. Let me see you. Let me see you nod your head. Let me see you. Come on, come on. Let me see you. Like this. Let me see you. Check it, check it. Yo, case closed. Erase my foes. Chased away by the black suit, shades and clothes. We above the law. Feds can't touch me, y'all. Highly ranked. Black blank ID card. So disregard what you think you saw. Put that phone down now. Who you think you calling, huh? One little flash, then good night there. Just open your eyes, honey. Look right here. Thank you. Mission completed. I mean it. We won't be defeated. You seen it. We did it. Even with weapons depleted. Galaxy defenders, don't act like you don't remember. Taking contenders and proving they only pretenders. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the men in black is back to protect the world. When the enemy is near, the elite is here. So have no fear. Just let me see you nod your head.